Creating an environment in Google Cloud can mean lots of work, like setting up a compute network and storage resources, and then keeping track of their configurations. This process can be done manually by writing the commands you need to set up your environment the way you want. However, this is labor-intensive and requires updating commands if you want to change the environment, or manually writing new commands if you want to clone an environment. It's more efficient to use a template. Using a template allows you to write the specifications for your application environment in the same way you'd write a configuration file, but your template can then be deployed in a scaled environment to quickly create as many identical application environments as needed. This can be done with Terraform. To use Terraform, you create a template file using HashiCorp Configuration Language, HCL, that describes what you want the components of your environment to look like. Terraform then uses that template to determine the actions needed to create the environment your template describes. If you need to change the environment, you can edit your template and then use Terraform to update the environment to match the change. You can store and version control your Terraform templates in Cloud Source Repositories.